Wanna turn on friendly fire in CS2 for some fun? Or maybe you have enough of it and wanna disable it? Well, in this short video, I'll show how you can do both right from your PC. So without wasting any time, let's start. First, you have to enable the developer mode console. To do that, fire up CS2 on your computer. Then click on the gear icon from the top left corner to bring up the settings. Next, switch to the game tab. Now, at the top, you will find the option to enable developer console. To turn it on, just click the box next to it and select yes. And console will be enabled for you. Now press the backtick key or the one below escape to bring it up. Next, type in mp_friendlyfire1 and hit enter, and friendly fire will be enabled for you. And if you want to disable it, type mp_friendlyfire0 and press enter. Now, friendly fire will be disabled for you. So that's how you turn on or off friendly fire in CS2 from your computer. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.